PLC fundamentals. The objective of this video is to show that you can control an output device based on PLC instruction. The state of the switch doesn't really matter. We'll be using two types of PLC instructions, an examine if closed, and an examine if open. Here we have four types of push buttons, four push buttons. Two that are normally open, two that are normally closed. They're programmed PLC instructions. Here. And examine if closed. When push button 1 is closed, it goes true, turning on output 1. Same thing for 2. When we're instructed with an examine if closed, when this goes true, turns on output 2. Push button 3 is an examine if open instruction. When that goes true, turns output 3. Push button 4 is an examine if open, turning on output 4. Now that we've got that, when we push button 1, turns on output 1. Same thing for output 2. The normally closed contact programmed to turn on when it opens. Same thing for 4. And there you go.